So, jadi
Lakha yaka haka longying kap imsngi haki kamshna jingshna. Ki kamshna jingshna jong ka Daisy Momin kilas dang da ka jingshna ki sintiu jan bat kitiar penriam haki nyatho hatura. Kakam kabasdang kum ijingerap ibarit ban kirshan ki ying yatho kristan kalakala long penban ka jingele kabaskem ban penne ya kariti ka dustur bat ya ka culture jong ki garu. Kajingele jongka ban pensani shu ya kajing thrang kala lam ya ka jingshna dur da ka khyndew lani ka terracotta art ha ka ba kala shem ya kajing khot bashisha jongka na jingshna ki dur bat ki khu bonsai sha jingshna ki jingdeng rendang baharukom ka kam jongka Daisy ka penpaw ya jinglong jongka Garo Hills ka bayeng skem ha ka riti ka dustur henre ka baya habdur bat ka juk ka bamenta.
since childhood, I was engaged or involved in so many creative activities. Since both my parents are creative, they are artistic. At first, when I was younger, I was doing some wedding accessories for Christian wedding because those days the accessories for the Christian weddings were not available here in Tura. So to help them out, I just they first saw my work when I did for my elder sister's wedding. So after seeing, I did some work. I did some accessories for my elder sister. These orders came in pouring, so I had to cater to them because at least they don't have to go to Shillong or Guwahati to buy those wedding accessories. So those days I make boutonnieres, bouquets, and wedding veils.
Da kabathan kle lang ya kiksay kibayo na kamaryang bat kiksay ka jugmenta ka Daisy kalaya tre lang bat kinong thanjan halasnong ban pinmi yakijan kum ka ampag ka carpet siyang ki karo kabala jingshna na kisnabding kalashnaru ya kiway pat ki jingshna kum ka sharang na unjur ubangi khot ukulong ki jingdeng ki bashna na uranga bat kiway de kitya.
I started doing terracotta. I ventured into terracotta works because since 80s I was very interested in bonsais. So those days bonsai pots weren't available in Tura. So I thought that I'll have to make some pots for my bonsais. So with a little help from this traditional potters from the plain belt, I tried out doing some potteries myself, and from potteries I ventured into doing some sculptures, terracotta sculptures, and then from terracotta sculptures, terracotta accessories. So that is how all my venture after venture I tried out, but they are all accidental. I don't have in mind that I'll be doing this or I'll be doing that, but all came accidentally, I think.
House nam ka khanai spa khanai bukra na kadaw kani ka jingstang thamai jongka ka bapher lapanlong ya ka banyo opdyang ya khusnam National Award for Excellence in Fashion Designing na ka nift kabalong ka jingjob ka ba ka klampoy prakhat banyo henre ka ba itho pat ya ka kam bat ka jing pusyang jongka ban pendon kam ya ki jing penwandur katkum kariti dustur jongka hadin bakala shong thait nakakam kum ka lady supervisor nakatanat social welfare house nam arja khyndew ka Daisy kala punod por yala di siya ka kamshna jingshna jongka bat ka ngedru ba ka jing ya ka culture kala ay ya ka bor ka jing kemen bat ka jing yo jing itho.
Why I was selected for that the NIFT National Award, because competitors were there, well established fashion designers were also there. I wouldn't name them, and then but my design is very unique because very eco-friendly. I use only eco-friendly materials with traditional inspired motifs, Karo motifs, and with a very small, no cuttings and no stitching. So everything is simple. That is why my creations are selected.
Lingba ki kam ki jongka ka Daisy kanyay beteng ban ay mensi me ki pateng ki banwan da ka bakentu ya ki ban kenko ya ki jing hika ki barem bat ya ka tenrai jongki bat ban penne ya ka riti ka dustur jongki garu lingba ki kam ki jongki ka jing lenti jongka Daisy Momin ka long palat ban ya ka kam shna jingshna jongka ka de ka jing le kemen ha ka jing long tenrai ka jing la ban penne pensa ya ka jing yo pateng bat du ka jing pen kan mau balada ka riti dustur kaya kendu bat ka jing angnut om tang ba ka culture ka im khyndew ka nang hi im shu shu. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.